Most of you have been asking that I do the headscarf tutorials that I usually have when I'm doing my videos, and so I thought, why not give you what you want. Today I'm just going to do a headscarf tutorial for head that is shaved or short hair. Welcome back to the Health Wing. A friend helps you stay happy, healthy, and strong. In case you're new here, welcome, and remember to hit that subscribe button. We'll begin with the one that I'm wearing. So I put that one, then just do it. You pass as if you're tying a knot. You do as if you're tying a knot. Not as if, but you tie a knot. Then you straighten them both. Then the one that is on top is the one that you use to. Purposely nataka nifunike hii part. Hii yenye imetokea hapa ndio nafunika, so that is what you're doing, funika in there. So we funika it properly.
Yes. So kishafunika, you see this part hii yenye imebaki, unaanza hapa kuitighten. You make sure itoki huko side nyingine. So unaanza hapa kuitighten. You just roll it slowly until you get to the other part. The other part ni hii. You make sure bado haijatoka. You see? Yeah, yangu haijatoka. So you just roll it, roll, and pass it till this part.
Yenye imebaki, you use this one. Naziroll pamoja. Then haka kenye kamebaki unakaingiza kwa hii nyingine, so that you have something like that. We just want hapa hivi kai kitu mzuri.
Yeah, then you roll the remaining parts uniform. Yeah, isikai vibaya, so you just make sure it's uniform so that haitakaa vibaya when you are rolling it. Then you pass it through there to there. Then ona penye ulipitisha hiyo nini yako hii, you pass this one through there mpaka penye itafika hii side nyingine, then you tuck it in.
It's bigger than the one that you had, the brown one. So this one will use it without anything, and it's heavier. So we just tie it back. Then pick one, the shortest. Then there's one that has joined. Use it front here. Then just tie it again. Don't tie too tight, so that it makes this one. Like our achievement is to make this thing. So then return it back here. And then you see this part that has joined. Yeah, and your view scarf done. I just tie it backwards, and because I'm one person that I do not like tying knots, then just tilt it venye tumekuwa tukitilt hizo zingine. So I've tilted to a part that I feel zitapatana. You see? Yeah. So zangu zimepatana. Then I twist them. So like this front part, I twisted it just so that it appears nice, like hapo, ikae hapo. Then the other one, I twisted it to make it bigger on one side. So like itakuja kuingia hapa. You see, like it looks different, very different. Then I'll interlock with this one here. See this space here? And then this one is on top, so that looks like that. It's a square kitamba, so we'll have to make a triangle with it. Then you tie. Remember, because it's Katelezi one, you do not have to put anything inside. And then just the way you plait your hair, you plait these three. Yeah, the remaining one we just tuck in. Then the part that is remaining, just fold like that, like to the other side. So that's it. Yeah, this is the small scarf. You're going to do that. So it's very simple. We tie it to the back. You tie a knot to the back. Then you bring one by this side. Make sure that it is on top of the other one, like the size that you want it. Yeah, like that. Then bring the other one. This one to the same, like, yeah. Then just tie them. Just make sure it's strong. Then, okay, I'll just make this one go around it, and bas ivo. Yeah, like that. You see here I have a one. Then pull it the back. Then oh, remember when you're tying a scarf, your earrings matter so much when you are after you tie your scarf. Choose earrings that go with your scarf. If your scarf is big, sometimes like the earrings should be big so that it doesn't look bad on your head. So your scarf should go with your earrings. And then when you make a mistake when you're doing your scarf, maybe you're following someone's tutorial, just try to invent yours. All of mine are made out of my mistakes. So like I make one new today because I just mistake somewhere and I do not have that time to correct. So yes, that is all for today. Thank you for keeping in touch with the health thing. Our friend helps you stay happy, healthy, and strong. If you're new here, subscribe. Hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching till this part. Until the next video. Thank you. And remember, I'm always here because you are